Sushi rice at restaurants always turn out glossy and tender, while yours feels off. The difference often comes down to the rice cooker. In this video, we'll explore some of the most respected models to help you find the best rice cooker for sushi rice and the best sushi rice cooker for your kitchen. Links to the current prices for each product are in the description box below. Let's begin with the TIGER JBV-A10U, a machine that has earned a reputation for its simplicity and versatility. What you'll notice right away is its compact design, perfect for kitchens where counter space is precious. This model cooks up to 5.5 cups of uncooked rice, giving you plenty for family meals or sushi night with friends. One of its standout features is its TIGER synchronized cooking function, which allows you to prepare rice in a main dish at the same time without flavors overlapping. Imagine setting your sushi rice to cook while steaming vegetables or fish in the tray above. It's a seamless way to prepare a balanced meal with minimal effort, and it's a feature that makes this model a contender for the best rice cooker for sushi. When you use the TIGER JBV-A10U, you'll appreciate how intuitive the controls are. With just 4 cooking menu settings, plain rice, brown rice, slow cook, and the synchronized cooking option, you don't have to scroll through endless menus. This simplicity means you can focus on the texture and taste of your rice rather than fiddling with buttons. The inner pot is non-stick, making cleanup quick and easy, and the included spatula and measuring cup ensure you get consistent results every time. For sushi, the plain rice setting delivers plump, slightly sticky grains that hold together beautifully when shaped, showing why many consider it among the best sushi rice cooker options for beginners. The design of this cooker also emphasizes convenience. Its lightweight build makes it easy to move around your kitchen, and the detachable steam cap helps with maintenance, ensuring steam is released efficiently for consistent cooking. You'll also notice that the rice stays warm and fresh thanks to the automatic keep warm function. So, if you're preparing sushi rolls over a longer period, your rice won't dry out or lose its delicate texture. By the way, do you usually make sushi just for yourself, or do you like to prepare it for friends and family too? Finally, the TIGER JBV-A10U gives you the confidence that your rice will come out right every time, without overcomplicating the process. It's a dependable choice if you want straightforward operation with the added bonus of preparing side dishes simultaneously. For sushi lovers, it means you can focus on the artistry of rolling and shaping, knowing the rice itself is perfectly cooked. Now, moving on, let's talk about the Toshiba Rice Cooker, a model that brings a more advanced approach to rice preparation. This cooker is designed with fuzzy logic technology, which means it automatically adjusts temperature and cooking time to suit the type of rice you're making. When you're preparing sushi rice, this precision translates into grains that are tender yet firm, with just the right stickiness to hold together without becoming mushy. The 3-liter capacity makes it suitable for larger households or gatherings, so you'll never run short when hosting sushi nights. It's this balance of precision and capacity that makes it a strong candidate for the best rice cooker for sushi rice. The Toshiba cooker also offers multiple menu settings, giving you flexibility beyond sushi rice. You can prepare white rice, brown rice, mixed rice, porridge, and even oatmeal with the touch of a button. For sushi enthusiasts, this versatility means you can experiment with different grains and textures, perhaps trying brown rice sushi rolls or exploring fusion-style dishes. The one-touch operation makes it approachable, even if you're new to rice cookers, while the advanced heating technology ensures even cooking throughout the pot. When you lift the lid after cooking, you'll notice the aroma of freshly steamed rice that feels almost like dining in a Japanese restaurant. The non-stick inner pot makes serving easy as the rice slides out smoothly without clumping or sticking to the sides. Cleaning is equally effortless, which is a relief if you're preparing sushi rice frequently. The keep warm function maintains the rice at an ideal serving temperature, so you can take your time seasoning it with vinegar and sugar before rolling. Another benefit of the Toshiba cooker is its durability and thoughtful design. The sturdy build gives you confidence that it will last through years of regular use, while the inner pot's markings help you measure water precisely for consistent results. When you're crafting sushi, That consistency is invaluable. It ensures every batch of rice has the same silky texture and slight chew, making your rolls uniform and professional looking. I'm curious, do you prefer your sushi rice on the softer side, or do you like it with a little more firmness? Next, let's explore the CUCKOO CRP-ST0609F, a rice cooker that stands out for its twin pressure technology. This feature allows you to choose between high pressure and non-pressure cooking, giving you control over the final texture of your rice. For sushi, the non-pressure option creates light, fluffy grains with just the right stickiness, while the high-pressure setting can be used for other dishes when you want a denser or more glutinous texture. With a 6-cup uncooked capacity, it's ideal for small to medium households who want flexibility in their cooking, and it's one of the reasons many see it as one of the best rice cooker for sushi models available today. The CUCKOO also impresses with its 16 menu modes, covering everything from GABA brown rice to glutinous white rice, and even stored rice. This means you can tailor your cooking to different grains and preferences, experimenting with sushi made from various rice types. The voice guide, available in multiple languages, adds a layer of convenience, walking you through settings so you never feel lost. It's a thoughtful touch that makes the technology approachable.
Hello, this is CUCKOO.
Safety and ease of use are also central to the CUCKOO's design. The safe steam release system ensures that pressure is released quietly and gently, so you don't have to worry about sudden bursts of steam in your kitchen. The non-stick inner pot makes serving and cleaning stress-free, while the auto-clean function helps maintain the cooker in pristine condition. This means you can focus your energy on preparing sushi fillings and rolls rather than scrubbing your cooker afterward. When you cook sushi rice in the CUCKOO, you'll notice the grains come out glossy and perfectly balanced between firm and tender. The dual pressure options allow you to experiment with textures, perhaps creating softer rice for hand rolls or firmer rice for nigiri. It's a machine that not only delivers consistency, but also invites creativity, letting you fine-tune your sushi rice to your exact preference, making it a contender for the best sushi rice cooker if you value versatility. Next, let's turn to the Zojirushi models, beginning with the NS-TSC10, a 5.5 cup Micom rice cooker that combines advanced technology with user-friendly features. This cooker uses microcomputerized fuzzy logic, which means it automatically adjusts cooking parameters based on the type of rice and environmental conditions. For sushi, this ensures that every grain is cooked to perfection, with the slight stickiness and sheen that sushi rice demands. The 1-liter capacity makes it versatile enough for both everyday meals and special sushi nights, and it's often considered one of the best rice cooker for sushi rice choices for home cooks. The NS-TSC10 also comes with a variety of menu settings, including options for white rice, brown rice, mixed rice, and even a steam menu that doubles the cooker as a steamer. This versatility allows you to prepare not only sushi rice, but also side dishes to accompany your rolls. The interchangeable melody and beep signals add a touch of charm, letting you know when your rice is ready in a way that feels personal and engaging. One of the standout features is its easy-to-clean, clear-coated stainless steel exterior, which keeps the cooker looking polished even with frequent use. The retractable power cord adds to the neatness, making storage simple. The 2 delay time settings mean you can plan ahead, setting your rice to be ready exactly when you need it, whether for a family dinner or a sushi making party. When you use the NS-TSC10, you'll find that the rice comes out consistently excellent, with a texture that makes shaping sushi effortless. The automatic keep warm and extended keep warm functions ensure that your rice stays at the perfect serving temperature, so you can take your time preparing your fillings and rolling without worrying about the rice cooling too quickly. It's a thoughtful balance of technology and practicality that makes sushi preparation a joy and helps this model stand out as one of the best sushi rice cooker options for everyday use. And now, to close our journey, let's look at the Zojirushi NS-ZCC10, another 5.5 cup model, but one that is beloved for its premium build and performance. Like the NS-TSC10, it uses fuzzy logic technology, but it is often praised for its ability to deliver incredibly precise results. With a 1-liter capacity, it's designed for households that want consistent, restaurant-quality rice every time. For sushi, that translates into glossy, plump grains that hold together with just the right tenderness, making it a strong candidate for the best rice cooker for sushi. The NS-ZCC10 is designed with careful attention to detail. Its spherical intercooking pan and heating system ensure even heat distribution, so every grain cooks uniformly. This is especially important for sushi rice, where uneven cooking could affect the texture of your rolls. The cooker also features multiple menu settings, allowing you to prepare not only sushi rice, but also a wide range of other rice types and dishes. When you open the lid, you'll be greeted by the aroma of rice that is perfectly steamed with a texture that feels luxurious to the touch. The keep warm function maintains this quality for hours, so you can work at your own pace when seasoning and shaping your sushi. The included accessories like the spatula and measuring cup help ensure accuracy and consistency, which are key when striving for professional quality sushi at home. Using the NS-ZCC10 feels like having a reliable partner in the kitchen. It takes the guesswork out of rice preparation, letting you focus on the creative aspects of sushi making. The combination of advanced technology, thoughtful design, and consistent performance makes it a strong contender for anyone serious about crafting sushi at home, and one of the best sushi rice cooker models for those who want premium quality. Which of these cookers do you think would fit best into your own kitchen setup? So, which of these rice cookers is the best rice cooker for sushi rice? Each one has unique strengths, from the simple convenience of the TIGER JBV-A10U to the precise performance of the Zojirushi NS-ZCC10. What they all share is the ability to elevate your sushi by delivering rice that's consistently perfect. If you'd like to check the current prices for any of these rice cookers, you'll find the links waiting for you in the description box below.